this is Alex from windowcleaningresource.com. I'm going to show you a new tool we have here. It's called the Aqua-Dapter. This thing is going to be new to WCR very, very shortly. They're on their way from the UK to us, but I'm going to show you what they do and what it's for. The Aqua-Dapter, in a nutshell, installs into your water-fed pole, then to your angle adapter to your brush, and what this little tool allows you to do is pretty amazing. You hook your water-fed pole hose into the bottom of the Aqua-Dapter, just with a simple push fitting, and just by tugging on your hose, you can turn your water on and off. Turns the flow of the water off right here. This just turns on, off. Pull on, pull off. Very simple. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to install this into your water-fed pole. We're going to be using a Gardner water-fed pole. What you're going to need is a hacksaw and a piece of sandpaper. That's really all you're going to need to install this. So sit tight and watch me install the Aqua-Dapter. Okay, to start the install of the Aqua-Dapter, what you need to do is take your hacksaw, cut about 5 or 6 inches off of your water-fed pole. Once we cut this off, I'm going to use my sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges or burrs in the carbon fiber. Now that I've cut this little bit off of the Gardner water-fed pole here, we're going to see how well the pole fits into the Aqua-Dapter. So bear in mind, the pole doesn't go on the outside, the pole goes in the Aqua-Dapter, just like this. It's got a little bit of play in it, which you don't want. So you get this black, it's almost just like a sticker that you put on here. And you wrap it around a few times so it's not this loose. If it's this loose and you start to really crank it down, it could bend the Aqua-Dapter because it is lightweight aluminum, and it could affect how it slides up and down. So you don't want to do that. So I'm going to put a little bit of this tape on here, and that should remedy the situation for us. Then we're going to put the Aqua-Dapter. Okay, we've put the tape around here. Only needed about 2 wraps around to make it a little more snug, but not too snug. And as you can see, we've run the water-fed pole hose back through the pole. And what we do here, simply insert this into the Aqua-Dapter on the bottom there, and this gives us enough so we can pull on and off. Feed this back through, and as you can see, it's not too snug, not too loose. Tighten it up with this little wing nut right here. And remember, if you start to distort the Aqua-Dapter in here, you want to stop, because that can affect how well the adapter will work. Now, we just connect our European brush and gooseneck, like that, and insert this hose here. You want to leave enough hose here so you do have a nice big arc, because it will go up and down, and if it's too tight, depending on the angle of the brush, it could put some pressure somewhere in here that's very unnecessary. So we have successfully converted this Gardner pole from having a standard European tip to having the Aqua-Dapter. This is going to save you a lot of time and water in the long run. So this is the Aqua. This is how the Aqua-Dapter should look when it's properly installed. This install really only took about 3 to 5 minutes. Very simple. Like I said, you just needed a hacksaw and 1 piece of sandpaper. And this is how it works. A little tug on the bottom of the pole hose here. On, off. On, off. Now bear in mind, the pole is collapsed, but once the pole is fully extended, it'll work just the same. Just right at the end, tug, tug. No more on-off valve on the bottom of the pole hose. Nothing back on the tank. You don't even need anything on the cart if you don't want to. Just on, off. Simple. Okay, now our water-fed pole water feed is on. I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn it off. Just grab the hose, little tug. You look back up at the pole, no more water. Move to your next window, get back on your window, want your water back on, little tug. Water's flowing again. Simple as that. 3-minute install, affordable part. It's going to save you lots of time and pure water, which equals money. Again, this is the Aqua-Dapter. It's available at windowcleaningresource.com.